boys and girls, how y'all doing? Fantastic, terrific, great. Today is terrific, fantastic, terrific Tuesday. Today is terrific Tuesday. And today, you're going to be your best self. You're going to be your best self. Why? You're going to be your best self because yesterday you were your best self, and today you're going to be your best self. Let's take a look at the weather again. Can you see the shadows on the house? Why do you think those shadows are there? Uh-oh. Can you see the trees moving? Wow. Yes, it's a little windy out. And let's see if we can find it's not up yet. It's early. It's very early. So it's before 7, so the sun is not up yet. But it is terrific Tuesday, and we are ready to start our day. And on Tuesdays, we have science. And in science today, we're talking about something called matter. What's the matter? Not matter, matter. And matter, you're going to find out a lot of things about matter. Some things that you're going to find out about matter is that matter can be in 3 forms. It can be in a solid form, a gas form, and a liquid form. You're going to find out those things about matter. But you know, before matter comes, we have math. And in math, we're going to talk about comparing 2 groups to see, here comes the tear, so you know it's cold. We're going to compare 2 groups to see which group has a less amount. Like the other day we compared groups that had more. This time we're going to see which group has the least amount of items in it. So we're going to do that. So we're going to count them. And you guys have been doing a wonderful job. And I'm so proud of you. Do you know that on Friday you guys took, you had an assignment where your parents did such a wonderful job, and thank you again, parents. You did a wonderful job. You had to answer 8 questions about the weather, which I already knew you knew, because you guys answered a lot of those questions in class. And 16 out of 20 students did it. Great job. I'm so proud. Here comes another tear. There you go. Another tear. I'm so proud of you. You guys did a wonderful job. But I can't wait to see your work when you draw circles for certain numbers to show me which group has less. Now today you're going to be working with flowers and bees, but you can make circles instead of flowers and bees, because I want you to just do the assignment if you feel like it, and just do something else. But in science, I have a challenge for you, a challenge for everybody. So what I want you to do for science today is I want you to get ask your mom or the adult in the house if you can pour some juice in a cup and then put the cup in a freezer and then let me know what happens. We're going to see how matter can change, and I want you to tell me what happened. You're going to be so surprised about what happens, and then you're going to take a picture of the juice once you poured it in a cup, and then you're going to take a picture of what the juice looks like after you took it out the freezer. Not the refrigerator, the freezer. As you can hear, my friends are above singing a beautiful song, which I'm happy. I'm so happy. And anyway, I just want to get your day started. There's the sun is coming up. It's coming up. And let you know I love you and have a great day. Mwah.